Alright, hey, I'm gold panning again today. Having a good little trip, I guess. I found another nugget today with my detector. It's up here. It's pretty cool, man. It's like half quartz. Put it in my pan so you can see it here. See it? It's pretty nice. It's got quartz and shit on the back side of it. It's my first one with quartz specimens. Pretty cool. Well, and I got another hit down in here. I've been at it for like half hour almost trying to dig it out, and I can't get it yet. So we'll see. It's buried in here somewhere. I'll find it. It's back up in this area up in here. So yeah, I can't get it. I'll let you listen real quick. It's like right there, dude, and I just can't get it. There's like two of them in here too. Another one over here somewhere. There was. But it's really hard to dig on that shit right there. Come on. It's right there too. Yeah, that's the first piece I found with my detector, man. That's awesome. I haven't been really field hunting. I've been working along all this bedrock, and every hit I got, I'd scoop all the shit into my pan, with my hands, and pan it out. And yeah, it's pretty cool. See if we can dig a little bit in here. It's really hard to dig in. There's rocks and everything else. Whoop. Don't do that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm excited. Made my day. It's just hard to dig in this crap. Look, it's all I get in every handful. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'll come back later. Peace.